Welcome back to the channel. Just a bit of an update. The VF400F we're still busy with. Initially it worked out as a carb problem. I sourced a set of VFR carbs. They're way bigger than the standard VF400 carbs, so I'll just pass them on to somebody else and I'll sort those out in the week. The Africa Twin, I've got the original motor here. I sourced a spare motor just to keep it going and have it rideable. I'll do some pictures on that on the next video. The Guzzi, I'm waiting for some exhaust work. That'll carry on most probably in the week as well. I'll just space it. So VF400 first project. Africa Twin, that's not going to be a project. I'll just finish it up. I need to fit the flywheel, then that's done. And then we'll do a proper rebuild on this motor. A lot of work we're going to do on this. Guzzi will carry on, but the announcement will be on the XL600LM that is coming in. Sourced the motorcycle locally. Very good specimen, got papers. It's still roadworthy. We're actually collecting it tomorrow, so I'll do a video while we're collecting it. The tank for the LM I sourced in Italy. Do not ask what they charge for it, please. You can't get them, and it's an original Dakar tank. Side covers will do for the LM, and the original. Now there's two options. I talked to Caleb about it. Either we do just a standard LM, or we go all out and do the Dakar version with all the sponsor stickers on and everything. So we decided we're going to do the latter. We are going to be doing the Dakar version. So that's going to be interesting. That's going to be a frame off, nut and bolt rebuild. The frame is currently red, so it needs to become white. And something I've never done is to get the correct, and I would think it's going to be Tahitian red on the engine. Yes, a red engine. But yeah, stick around, subscribe to the channel. It's going to be a nice build, and it's one of those builds that I'm not going to put a budget against this build. So there is no budget. Whatever it costs, it'll cost, and it'll take until it's done. It's going to be a very nice bike, and it's going to be a one-off. Stick around, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.